Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Please like and subscribe to help us build this channel upwards. Thank you very much indeed, very much for joining me. Today we're in London, UK, $42.6 million. Yes, indeed. This is a beast of a mega mansion. It is an absolute beauty. Now look at this. First of all, you think, is this a modern architectural library or something? Or some sort of convention center? But then you realize it's a home on 2 acres in London. Oh yes, in Highgate. And over here we have this lady here. This elderly lady sitting on a chair. But I don't think it's real. I think this is a bit of art. And we have this amazing hexagon sort of looking tire pavers going in. But let's have a look around. Soon we'll have a look at a video which is quite exceptional. But look at this for a terrace balcony. And the glass is fantastic, something you'd see next to a pool. Then this big, huge arch here and views out. And I lived in London in a house just like this in Greenwich, a matter of fact, for quite some years. And I loved it. It overlooked a lake. It wasn't 2 acres in Highgate, but it was a beautiful penthouse apartment, a 2-story. And I had a similar sort of look to this, and it was fabulous. And this home here reminds me of it, but on a mega level. And look at this chandelier. Look at that for a chandelier. It's the whole entire wall. It's impressive. It's great. Huge dining area. Gold chairs, gold leg chairs. And, of course, it looks like something out of an Egyptian tomb and Tutankhamun's sort of style. And then we've got this. Look at this piano. I mean, come on. I mean, it's clear. It's gold. It's white. It's everything. And it is simply expensive. And then we see this amazing sideboard built in, but it's fabulous. High windows, and it looks so good. Wait till you see the video. It is impressive, more impressive than the photos. Into the pool area. Look at this waved roof here in some particular type of material. It's hard to tell what it is, but beautiful. Lovely pillar here, and views out to your garden. Just fabulous. There we have it. Arched ceiling in a timber and a Scandinavian sort of feel to it. Views out. Privacy. Majestic home. Just up the road is London CBD. And look at this massive entranceway here. Beautiful landscaping, box hedges, and more. There we have it. What a fantastic view across the side. Imagine living here. The enjoyment, relaxing and unwinding. On your huge balcony cum terrace area here, stairs down, and a big landscape garden. It is simply fabulous. Fit for a king or a queen. And there we have it, even their little emblem here. It makes me think it's owned by someone from Saudi Arabia for some reason. Picture window downstairs, huge staircase. Fabulous for sure. Water feature down the bottom, box hedges, and then this square component here, arched again with a texture on the front. Fantastic. Look at that. Entrance like a hotel. The staff quarters over here. And all the paving. It is super duper. $42.6 million US. Security entrance and more. Let's take a look at the video now. 18,239 square feet. 7 full bathrooms. 6 bedrooms. There you have it. Let's take a look at this video and see what we can find. Look at that. It is fabuloso as we take a fly around. Love the gold name on the door there coming through. Look at that balcony. It is simply beautiful, isn't it? What a fabulous... Look at the size of that flower. Bit of artwork there in the garden. Are we going to see the old lady sitting on the chair? Look at the pool. Oh, fantastic. Warm inside. London's cold all winter. Fabulous luxury. Your own penthouse on top of your house at the top. Tennis courts included. 2 acres of land. Water feature. Blossoms are out. It looks so good. Imagine it here. If you've been to London, UK, you know it's hustle and bustle. And this would be unwinding. Look at this chandelier. I'm calling it a chandelier. You can call it a wall feature if you like. Look at that. Those coming up in their fantastic design. Water feature as well. LED lights in there too. It is simply super duper trooper. Look at that. Night shot. and the sun sets. And of course, this house is probably designed to catch that sun, which is really important in England because it does get very cold and very grey. Getting dark at 3 o'clock in the afternoon in winter is normal for London. So there we have it. What do you think of that? Is that a crowd pleaser? It certainly is. But look at these lights here, the gym inside. It is a crowd pleaser for me. Support house at the back for staff on 2 acres of land. That is a prime land. $42.6 million. Fabulous. On with Sotheby's. No surprises. Lee Kaufman is the agent. And what a fabulous home. 35,000 UK pounds. There's a bit of a description there. In the heart of Highgate. 2-acre site. Bespoke family accommodation and support staff. 3 levels. Luxurious. And the staff premises is 4,400 square feet as well. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's jump on a picture before we wrap up. And what's the address there? Let's give you the address there. Heathfield House, 6 Merton Lane, London, N6, 6NA. The famous postcode there in the United Kingdom. And there it is. There's our granny friend over there. That was pretty cool. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching as we look at properties here and around the world each week. Love your comments. Love your like on the video. Thank you. And subscribe to this channel as we update you on more amazing homes all around the world each week. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.